Hey guys, so quick video on how you can connect your Serato to a Bluetooth speaker. So how to do it? You might be able to connect to Bluetooth through your Mac rather than in Serato and just change the audio output to your Mac speakers. Not 100% sure, but it seems to should be a way. So you want to connect the Bluetooth speakers. Let's say you have a PC, you have a laptop, connect it to laptop through the cable or through the Bluetooth. When you can just write here Bluetooth. And when you're going to write here Bluetooth, then you're going to connect it. And then you just want to connect and change the audio on your Serato. So that's it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.